Hi, in this video, we will tackle bundles and how and when to use them. So the bundles is a type of tariff plan where we aggregate different tariff plans, and then we can assign one service to our client instead of assigning 3 or 5 services. So if we need to merge 2 or more services, then we have to use bundles. We can use, okay? You can still use 2 or more services independently, or you can bundle. So it simplifies the setup of multiple services, triple play, and similar scenarios. And you can apply the contract settings. Like, for example, you can define the contract duration, you can add the activation fee, and then you can charge customer if he's not renewing the contract or if he's canceling the contract during the contract duration. So these are the options of the bundle, and let's take a look on that. Let's go. There is a one client that I have created, the Steven bundle user, and he has no services, nothing yet. Let's go to our tariff plans and check there. So we have some internet tariff plans, we have voice tariff plans there, and we have additional services, for example, public IP, and even one time. But what we are going to do now, we will create a bundle. So how to create a bundle? So we describe the title of the bundle. For example, that can be 100 meg plus 20 gig of mobile. And that will be the name of it, and then we can describe that this is the plus public IP, for example, and company plan, for example. So that's the description that customer will see on his invoice. The price will be 40 euro in this case. The VAT is included, all partners and all billing, everything is set up here. I can select and make it available only for some partners that I have, but I'm selecting everything. So activation fee, so this is, for example, the installation fee I can include there. And I can say, okay, the 50 euro you have to pay me when I will do the activation, when I'm activating the bundle or the contract. And when this activation fee is enabled, so when I create a service or when I build a service, okay, when I build a service, when I create the first invoice. Contract duration, let's set to 12 months. And automatic renewal. So if the customer is for 12 months with us, we will automatically renew that. And what next? The cancellation fee. So if he doesn't want to stay with us for 12 months and he's canceling, this is called the prior cancellation fee. So this is the 100. But if he's not renewing it, so this is cancellation fee, it's like a non-renewal fee. So here, then I will set up like 20. So for example, I'm charging him $20 if he's not, or euro if he's not renewing the contract. But if he is canceling it during 12 months, I will charge him 100 additionally. I can add discount period and discount values. And what is the next? I have to go to my internet and assign there. Okay, I have no 100 meg, but I can assign him 50 meg here. We'll do this test 100 minutes. So, and this is how we assign really the services to this plan and how we merge it. So when we create this bundle, we can find this bundle here on list. You can see there is a bundle. And now when I go to my client, I can assign him, instead of adding internet, adding voice and recurring, I will just add a bundle. So I'm adding the bundle, setting it, the contract start date will be from today, and it will last till end of the next year, okay? Here I can choose and set up the PPPoE and IPv4 address and IPv6 addresses. There on the internet, on the voice, I can add voice numbers there to customer account. And so then when I configure everything, I just create this. And that, what it does, it creates the bundle service with the description and the price, with all the contract information there. And then we go internet, voice, and recurring. As you see, there are no price, no start dates, because it's fully related to our bundle service. So if I click on the change internet service, it will show me this window, which is actually the bundle window. And then it also shows me if the activation fee was charged, if the cancellation fee or this is non-renewable fee was charged, and if prior cancellation fee was charged or not. So what we can do, we can simulate now what will happen when the customer will receive the first invoice. So because the service start is 18th of December, and so let's simulate what will happen 1st of January. Let's go to my billing. What we see is that he's paying in advance. Let's say this is the prepay 1 month always. And what we do, I simulate what will happen 1st of January. Here it is. So 1st of January, I can create this invoice manually this way, or I can wait till 1st of January and Splynx will create the invoice for me. But this is what is going to happen. Installation fee, this text I have changed it under translations. So this is, if I want to call it activation fee or anything else, I will show you how to change it, okay? But this is what will happen there. So we can say, okay, charge an invoice. We have the full invoice for 108 euro. And then when I open that, open the invoice, it will show me what is inside there. There is an installation fee for that, which is 50 euro. And then there is a prorata from December till January. And if I go to my service there, and if I click there, you can see that activation fee charge was applied. Okay, so what I mentioned is that I can change this description that appears in my invoice for activation fee. So this description, installation, this is I already changed. By default, it's activation fee. How to change it? Under configuration, I go there, I find custom translation. So this is, I can change any part of Splynx. So I add, for example, here you can see there are customers, contract activation fee. And if I added this, so it was originally activation fee, but I changed it to installation fee. And I can do the same thing, clicking add, finding what I need to change, for example, CRM, and I want to change it to different config, for example, add here. And this is how it will appear everywhere in the system. The new translation will be used. Okay, so this is the first part. Let's take a look on how the cancellation fee and the prior cancellation fee works. So let's go back to customer. Under his services, under bundle, what we have there, if we click this button, it says cancel contract. And if I cancel this contract, it will immediately, it will stop all the services. And what it will do, it will just create 100 euro penalty fee. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Charge prior cancellation fee, cancel contract. So everything is stopped, the contract is canceled. If I go to my billing and to my invoices, you can see that there is one invoice that I just created before, and now there is another invoice, which is contract prior cancellation fee with a 100 euro. What is the difference? So this was if customer doesn't stay with us for 12 months. We can simulate a different behavior. We can simulate, I can just remove all this, because if I don't need to work with that, I can easily just delete these invoices. I can delete all the services. So if I go there, click the button, delete. Yes, I want to delete this all. And that removed everything. You see, it removed bundle and everything, all other services as well. So the cancellation fee, non-renewal fee, it works in a bit different way. Let's say here is our bundle, and we say that, okay, this customer was with us from 1st December of 2019 till 30th of November 2020. Okay, so it's like we were simulating that this customer was with us, but he is not renewing the contract. Okay, so he's not renewing it, or by default it is, but he decided to not renewal. So if the renewal is disabled, yeah, 1st December, 1st December, here it is. And he decided to not renewal. Well, what will happen there? As you can see, I can run the script that will simulate the job every hour that is done. And that script is here. Just give me a second. I will just put it there. And yeah. Yeah, this is, you don't have to do that. I just simulated because it's like, imagine that today is 1st of December. So what does Splynx in this case? There is another invoice, the third type of invoice that was created, and this is the contract cancellation, or this is actually not the cancellation fee, it's a fee that is non-renewable fee. So if the customer is not renewing the contract with us, so this is 20 euro that will appear. One thing that is important in bundles is that there is no change of bundle. So if I want to, my customer wants to change the bundle, then I need to stop the services that I have and I need to create a new one, or remove this and create a new bundle. So there is no change, schedule change, anything like that. Okay, so you have to schedule the contract end date, and then if you need to create a new one, you just go there, add another bundle, and create this bundle from the certain date. So I think that's all from bundle features, and thank you for your time.